Gustar and a verb. I like studying Spanish. I like helping people learn Spanish. En inglés, la estructura es I like verb ing. I like doing. What about en español? Hola, soy Ruth, and today we're going to look at actividades that you like or you don't like. And we're also going to look at how to make questions about what you like, when, where, and who with. ¿Comenzamos? In the last lesson, we looked at me gusta with a noun. Por ejemplo, me gusta la televisión. Me gusta el español. We also looked at making gusta into gustan when we're talking about plural nouns. Me gustan los deportes or no me gustan las hamburguesas. So check out lesson 74 if you haven't already. If you want to say, I like to do something, I like doing something, we use the infinitive verb. In Pasos, in página 110, you've got Rosa. This is actividad 8, unidad 3. Rosa says, me gusta leer. That means I like to read. I like reading. Me gusta leer. She says, me gusta estar con mi familia. I like being with my family. I like to be with my family. Me gusta salir al parque. I like going out to the park. So in English, we would say that I like going out to the park. Me gusta saliendo al parque. And those ing forms, we have equivalents for them en español. Hablando is speaking. Comiendo is eating. Viviendo is living. But we're not using those with gustar. We're using the AR, ER and IR forms of the verb. So, te toca, your turn. How do you say, I like to read? Me gusta leer. How about, I like being with my family? Me gusta estar con mi familia. Did you get it? And finally, I like going out to the park. Me gusta salir al parque. Es importante practicar las estructuras. So, if you have Pasos, página 111, tiene una lista de actividades. And si no tienes Pasos, why not type into a search engine, list of activities in Spanish, and it'll give you lots of buenos ejemplos. Then I would like you to make questions. The way you make questions is te gusta plus a single noun or a verb. Te gusta la televisión? Te gusta leer? Or te gustan if you're using a plural noun. Te gustan las montañas? Once you've made your questions, you need respuestas, answers, respuestas. So you can say, sí, me gusta mucho leer. Sí, me gustan mucho los audiolibros. O no, no me gusta nadar. I don't like to swim. No me gusta bañarme en el mar. Now, did you hear that? That was a little reflexive verb in there. So, bañar is to bathe, and it's reflexive. So I'm going to put me on the end because I'm talking about what I like. ¿Te gusta bañarte en el mar? No, no me gusta bañarme en el mar. Well, maybe you do. So I would like you to now pause, use las actividades en página 111 or en list of activities in Spanish, and I would like you to imaginar y crear una conversación and write it down. Writing is a great way to practice. So pause and do that now. It's a nice, easy clase hoy. Now we're going to just add some question words. So if you want to say, when do you like to read? We're going to use the word cuando. And it's really easy just to put it at the beginning and say, cuando te gusta leer? If you want to ask, where do you like to swim? You're going to use the word donde for where, and nadar is to swim. So you can have donde te gusta nadar. If you want to use bañarse, which is to bathe, and it's reflexive, then you're going to use bañar as the infinitive and put te on the end. So that would be donde te gusta bañarte. Okay? And finalmente is with who is un poco más complicado because we split the with and the who up in English. So if you're saying, who do you like to eat in restaurants with? You know, you get the who at the beginning and the with right at the end, al final. In Espanol, it's easier because we're putting them both at the beginning. With whom? ¿Con quién te gusta comer en restaurantes? Vale. Now it's your turn. How do you say, where do you like to read? ¿Dónde te gusta leer? And how do you say, when do you like to swim? ¿Cuándo te gusta bañarte? O ¿cuándo te gusta nadar? And finally, how do you say, who do you like to eat with? ¿Con quién te gusta comer? Muy bien. If you would like to write to me and tell me qué te gusta y qué no te gusta, y dónde, y cuándo, y con quién, my email is ruth@spanglishfantastico.com. Y me gusta mucho leer tus emails. Si te gusta este video, dale un me gusta and por favor subscribe to the channel. The next lesson es un poco más complicado. It's all about using names with me gusta or te gusta or le gusta. So tune in for that. I'm going to make it really easy for you and you won't forget it. Once you've learnt it, it's going to be easy for you. Hasta la próxima. Gracias por su compañía y adiós. Hasta pronto.